Hey, this is Zoe, and this is Ford. I have a new house. Can I give him a tour of it?
Why don't you show him your room?
I will be making a tour video. So, be out for that. So, now, is there anything you notice about right here?
Nope, it just looks like a blanket.
Okay, we have this.
Oh, what's that?
My dad don't know what I got.
Show us what it is, though. Tell us what it is.
It's a Jurassic World Lego Dimensions.
Oh,
I
wow.
wonder if I got Lego Dimensions.
Well, I hope so. If you got the pack, what comes in the pack?
I don't know. Well, we get a construction seat, which features wood. Wow.
Nothing.
Okay, so you get to build like a raptor, and like you can build. I think they forgot to put the raptor. Yeah, they forgot. They don't tell you how to build a raptor.
Okay, well, we'll look at it after.
Alright, so we get bag number 1, bag number 2, and that's it.
All right.
So what is this?
Oh, it sounds like there's something under there.
Look like Lego Dimensions.
Oh, you got Lego Dimensions. Is that what you got?
Yep.
Tell us about it. What is Lego Dimensions?
It's like a Lego game where all the Lego stuff combined into one game, and you can buy a lot of packs like this. Like there's a Back to the Future pack, Lord of the Rings. The one that had like Jurassic World. This costs $24. You can get Ninjago, The Simpsons pack, Back to the Future, DC.coms. That's a special pack. So let's get to opening this. I will be doing a let's play of this, so turn for that.
Need some help.
Yeah.
You got it?
That's going to be my stepmom. Her name's Caitlin.
I got it.
Welcome to the internet, honey. All right, got it open for you.
Alright, so.
Your nose.
Oh, shoot. What the heck is this? Looks like we get... What's in this box? Maybe a special package for me, because I'm a YouTuber. Probably not, because I'm not that popular. We get the Lego Dimensions Portal Instruction Book.
Oh, all right. You gotta have the portal to play the game.
Yeah, you gotta have the portal to play the game. So let's put this Lego Diamond. It's actually a poster.
A poster.
We got a poster.
Oh wow!
We
All
got
the different
that,
things you can get.
and or you can put it on the side. So let's put that with. I got Skylanders game also. So those are my 2 posters. And we get the Lego Dimensions thing. So, and then we get the Lego set that comes with it. Apparently.
What is this?
What? Well, this is the base you put them on. So, you can
Oh,
put
so
them
that's
on
the
bases.
base. Okay.
So, can I play this in this video? Can I
Let's see.
play?
Let's do the
put
unboxing
together-
first, okay?
Alright. It is about 7 o'clock at night, so I will be playing this, I would say, in 15 minutes, which is going to be terrifying because I haven't been on YouTube for a long time. So the box is empty, so let me look at these instructions one more time.
I think maybe you gotta open this box.
Yeah. Sorry guys, you saw Raptor. If you get this, please make sure it's not broke like mine. Apparently, we got a broken one with not all of the pages.
Oh no.
So, I recommend getting a different one than the very first one there.
Alright, well, come on back here. I got the box
Well,
open for you.
too bad. We have bag 3, bag 1, and bag 2 for the portal. And here is a portal base plate. So, let's get this unboxed and done. Why is Caitlin recording?
Hey, I was opening the box.
So I was recording your dad.
Is that how it goes? Okay.
That's what I've seen. So
Alright. Well, here's the instructions.
it only connects, guys. It only connects by 2 squares. You can't fix that. I'm sorry. No. So looks like we have. Well, I need a table to build this on. Dad. The works table. And we need it out. Wait. We need the work table out.
I think Caitlin's getting it for you.
This is it. Do you know how to speed it up like fast building? Do you know how to do that?
Well, what we can do is we can stop the video and then you can show it to them when they're done.
You know how to like speed it up like?
No, I can't do that on my phone.
How?
'Cause I can't do it on my
How
phone.
do you do that?
You gotta have like computer software. We don't have that. Maybe
Well-
maybe when we get.
When I get my computer set up, it will be like fast building. Like
Right.
until then, there will be 2 videos.
All right.
Or you can, or if my dad wants, he can record me building the whole thing.
I think I'll just record the end product. All right. You want to tell everyone you'll see them in a few minutes when you
See
finish?
you guys in about 15 minutes.
Okay.
And
Tell 'em bye, Caitlin.
bye!
Bye, Thor. Thor.
Thor, say bye. That's how he says bye.
Zoe.
Zoe, say bye.
Zoe.
Zoe.
Bye. Bye.
All right. All right. Return to the